Well, after the South Dakota Department of Health announced a child had died from influenza and whooping cough, state epidemiologist Dr. Joshua Clayton broke down the risks for this cold and flu season, saying flu, whooping cough, and COVID-19 have all been spreading around the state.
Clayton added that with several pathogens circulating, such as influenza and COVID-19, that does mean that there is a greater likelihood of co-infection at this time. But it's still important to recognize that some of those co-infections are not very common. For more information on whooping cough, check out this KELOLAND.com original by Michael Dorn online right now.